Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today video I will teach you paano mag-customize ng themes and icon on your phone. So simulan na natin from a home screen, touch and hold an empty area, and then tap themes. If it's your first time using themes, read the information, and then tap continue. Now you can swipe up to view available free themes and then select the one you want to download. After download, click lang ang apply para sa napili mo na themes. Kaya nga pala dark themes ang choice ko is dark themes because the benefits dark themes is what advantages. As mentioned before, dark themes or dark mode reduces eye strain and it's easier to stream or use apps for longer duration as compared to while using them in a lighter mode, and reduces battery load and battery life. So if you want to change wallpaper your screen device, tap on wallpaper and you can swipe up to view the available free wallpaper, and then select the one you want to download. And click apply, at pumili ng isa to set as wallpaper. Home screen, lock screen or home and lock screen. Next, download icons. Want to show off your passion for your favorite? Try customizing your phone by downloading new icons. Tap icon, swipe up to view the available free icon and select the one you want to download. At i-click lang ang apply sa napili mo na icon. Kung may natutunan ka sa video na ito, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, and huwag kalimutan i-click ang notifications bell button para update ka sa mga bagong video, and then don't forget like and share. Maraming salamat po. God bless everyone.